What's up, good people? I want to thank my friends from Great Value for sponsoring this video. Support the Urban Chef. Eat healthy, live longer.
What's up, YouTubers, foodies, friends, and family? You know who it is. It's your boy, the Urban Chef. Feeling good out here. Great day in Phoenix. Anyway, I got something going for you guys. Anyway, man, look at this wall. This is amazing. In memory of Marvel. You know, and Stan Lee and the whole, you got the Panther, but this is just some local graffiti. The area I live in, this railroad district is amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna hit you with a food joke. Somebody else just hit me with. What do you get when a male and a female banana break up? What do you get? A banana split. Ah, a banana split. You get it? All right, anyway, on YouTube. Support, eat healthy, live longer. Keep your mask on. What's up, YouTubers, foodies, friends, and family? You know who it is. It's your boy. You know who it is. Back full of fun. Great day today in Phoenix. You know what I'm saying? Urban Chef, eat healthy, live longer. Today, before we get started, today's show is sponsored by, you know, one of America's favorite stores where we all shop, where you can stretch the buck. Wally World and my friends at Great Value. I want to thank people from Great Value for sponsoring this video. Anyway, and my other friends, as you notice, yeah, Urban Chef loves anime and football. Raiders started out. I want to thank the M Hotel in Las Vegas. You know, they're the proud sponsors of the Las Vegas Raiders. Got the nice hat. You know, it gets a little chilly here in Phoenix. I moved from Michigan to Phoenix, you know, because it was cold, but the mornings are a little cold out here. But anyway, you know, thank you, him. Nice shirt, got this. Anyway, today, what I got for you, eat healthy, live longer, is a broccoli salad. Very simple. You know, the Urban Chef stands for simplicity and affordability. And then you get a little... All right, I'll be right back to start this broccoli salad. What's up? Was having some technical difficulty. It's not difficult. Anyway, we got the broccoli, got the bacon. That goes great together. We got the caramelized onions. Oh my God, this is gonna be so amazing. What better with broccoli and bacon than some cheese? I got the mixed cheese going. Got the cherry, the Coke Jack. Oh my God. And we got some peppers. I got the yellow and the yellow. I got the yellow and the orange peppers. This is gonna be great. Give that a little mix. Get in there. When I was a kid, my grandmother used to cook. What did you say? With our hands, dude. But anyway, I got the gloves on. Let's stay COVID-free out here. Anyway, we're gonna add this dressing in there. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God, Becky. Hey, Becky, look. Let me finish it. I want to shout out to Becky. Becky's been one of the biggest supporters since day one. I know. I do it week after week. Thank you, Becky. I know I do it week after week. Thank the Urban Chef. Anyway, before I finish this up, I want you guys to like and share. You know, you can catch the Urban Chef demonstrations, catering, consultations. I do consulting, menu design, whatever you want. Catch me directly at 313-622-1835. Or catch me at chriskaigler at Gmail. Anyway, let's get back to this, Chef. Come on, Chef. You're always getting sidetracked. All right. Anyway, we got that. Top this off. Of course, thank you, Great Value. We're gonna drop some of these raisins in there. Oh, listen, I love raisins.
It's a great day to be alive.
It's healthy for you too. So you got the raisins, you got the dressing, mayo, vinegar, sugar, the broccoli, got the cheese, the caramelized onions, got the peppers, and the bacon. Let's give that a... That's it. Well, you don't have to do it like that at home. I'm just having fun. You know, happy cook makes happy food. Eat healthy, live longer. Look at that. Just mix that up. Just fold that together. Now, when I used to do this in the restaurants, I used to add some walnuts. I would do some roasted walnuts. But today, we're not gonna do it with the walnuts, like I told you. Urban Chef is all about affordability and simplicity. Sometimes you go to the store, you look at the price of them walnuts, and you be like, we're gonna go walnut less today. Here we go. So we're gonna bring this right here. Oh yeah, we're gonna put that there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Very simple. You saw how to, let's clean this up. Clean up your mess, Urban Chefs. But anyway, a very nice, healthy broccoli salad. I'm gonna bring this to the camera, let you see. I love this, look at this. This is amazing. Anyway, got the broccoli salad. Support the Urban Chef till the next time I see you. Remember, eat healthy, live longer.
Anyone say nice duck dinner? I want to eat healthy, but I can't choose. So many succulent ducks to choose from. Watch the Urban Chef on YouTube. What's up, good people? I want to thank my friends from Great Value for sponsoring this video. Support the Urban Chef. Eat healthy, live longer.